Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm so glad to have you here again. This is WAEC 2019 and the question goes thus: evaluate log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 to be divided by log 9 base 3. So how do we go about this? Because this is the case of evaluating logarithm expression without the use of a calculator. So I guess some might just quickly go ahead to just start crossing things out. Say for instance, 3 goes in here, 1, 3 goes in here, 3, then 2 goes in here, 1, 2 goes in here, 4. So 3 minus 4, and 3 goes in here, 1, 3 goes in here, 3, then you have, but that is not the correct way to do that. So let us see how to convert or how to work this out. Okay, good. So what we're going to look out for is how many number of the base would be multiplied to get the log number. In this case of base 3, how many of this number 3 will be multiplied to get the number 9? Did I hear you say 2? Of course. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is what you're going to now write. Okay, log 3 raised to power 2. That is what will give us 9. Okay, then you write the base number. Okay, then converting this also, how many of this base number 2 are we going to multiply before we can get 8? Alright, I think you just said 3. Good. So we're gonna have 2 raised to power 3 to base 2. Okay, the log number at the base is the same as the one on the left above. Okay, so we just have 3 raised to power 2 base 3. Alright, so now according to the logarithm law, a log number that is equal to the base number will be equal to 1. That is, log 3 base 3 will be equal to 1, or any other number for that matter. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 1, so we're left with 2. Okay, and this is going to be equal to 1, log 2 base 2. Okay, so we're left with 3. Alright, the same thing at the denominator. This we cancel out, then we are left with 2. Okay, so we're almost out the final answer. 2 minus 3 will give us what? Did I hear you say minus 1? Excellent. So we have minus 1 over 2 as our final answer. So let's take a look at the answer option. Answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.